Rockin' with possessive nouns. Welcome to Rockin' with Possessive Nouns. That's what we're going to be learning about today. What are possessive nouns? Possessive nouns show who or what owns something. Singular possessive nouns have an apostrophe and then an S. If there's a bracelet and it belongs to Carly, we would say Carly, apostrophe S, Carly's bracelet. The bracelet belongs to Carly. If there's a car and it belongs to Jordan, we would say Jordan's car because the car belongs to Jordan. If there was a notepad and the owner was Rachel, we would say Rachel's notepad. If there was a phone that belonged to Audrey, we would say Audrey's phone because the phone belongs to Audrey. And if there was soup that belonged to my friend Julie, we would say Julie's soup. Plural possessive nouns are nouns that end in the letter S. They just have an apostrophe after that S. There's not another S added. If there was an eraser and it belonged to Dennis, Dennis has an S at the end of his name, so we just add an apostrophe. The desk belongs to Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones' name ends in an S, so we just add an apostrophe. The soccer game belongs to the boys. Boys is plural and ends in S. So friends, we just add the letter S. So it's the boys' soccer game. And if there are more than one horse, there are horses and the stable belongs to them. So we would just add an apostrophe to the end of that S. Horses, stable. Let's practice. See if you can find the possessive nouns in these sentences. Abby's pencil fell on the floor. Abby's pencil. The pencil belongs to Abby. I found my mom's purse under the table. Mom's purse. The purse belongs to Mom. We took Grandpa's boat out on the lake. Grandpa's boat. The boat belongs to Grandpa. The movers' boxes were very heavy. Movers' boxes. Movers is plural, so we just had the apostrophe and not an extra S. Let's read the following sentences. See if you can figure out what belongs to the possessive noun. Mrs. Jones' computer was not working today. Mrs. Jones owns the computer. My dog's ball is yellow. The dog owns the ball. Addison's soup is very hot. The soup belongs to Addison. Aaron's dance class has a recital on Saturday. The class belongs to Aaron. It was raining on the day of my brother's soccer game. The game belongs to the brother. Who owns what? The cookies belong to Grandma. Those are Grandma's cookies. The brother belongs to Lacey. Lacey's brother. The helmet belongs to James. James's helmet. The birthday cake belongs to Jenna. Jenna's cake. The daughter belongs to Mrs. Robbins. Miss Robbins' daughter. The money belongs to the babysitter. Babysitter's money. The carrots belong to the rabbits. Rabbits' carrots. The handle belongs to the umbrella. Umbrella's handle. The doll belongs to Sarah. Sarah's doll. Thanks for practicing with me.